maybe. Thank you for stating the obvious.
You guys aren't with anybody, you guys are just videoing?
I don't answer questions, man.
She's wondering why you guys are videoing her, that's why I'm asking.
If she asks me, I'll answer her questions.
Okay, if you want to ask them, you can. Yeah, I don't know who they are, I'm sorry.
You should have said that in the first place, huh?
Take care, have a good day.
All right, let me get your name and badge number, man. Hey, you guys mind if I get your name and badge numbers right quick?
Yep. Hatcher 330, win 400.
Thank you. You actually weren't being rude. I apologize if I came off strong on you. I just heard that you told that woman that we were posting the videos on the internet. Like,
I don't know what you guys were doing.
Yeah, I mean,
who you guys were and why we were videoing, but we weren't.
Yeah,
that's the only reason I asked, man.
Yeah, I know. I just kind of heard you tell her that, so I just not every video that I record I post on the internet. You know what I mean? I don't want you to give her the wrong idea either.
Okay.
That's why I got a little bit like, hey, whoa. But
yeah,
I
she
appreciate
thought you guys were associated with us, and
all right.
That's why I asked.
Yeah, you weren't even rude, man, and I appreciate you guys.
Cool. Take care, man.
Right.
Have a good day.
You too. Yeah, guys, so basically, like, he was nice. He asked a couple questions, and I just kind of wanted him to continue doing his job. There's a canine in here. I can hear it barking. I should probably roll the window down a little bit. But what I was saying was, I heard him tell her that we record videos and we're going to post it on the internet. And I personally didn't appreciate that, because sometimes people get the wrong idea and they get mad and they're like, I don't want to be on the fucking internet. And I think police do that sometimes to, get the people against us or whatever, or against to have them be against what we do. And first and foremost, we got to understand that police use propaganda over and over again. I can easily spot it, their hypocrisy and their propaganda. And so I try to call it out when I see it. And like I said, I just didn't really like the fact that he said that. So I felt like I had to tell him that, guys. Yeah, he wasn't rude at all. He was pretty cordial. He asked us a couple questions. When I heard that, though, that's when I told him, you know what, man, just do your job, dude. Like, I don't answer questions, right? And anyways, with that being said, thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you on the next one. Subscribe to these two gents. I'll leave their links in the description. Peace.